Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to look at why you'll never succeed online. But before we get into that, please hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell so that way you will get notified when future videos are uploaded. So, why you'll never succeed online. I started in the affiliate marketing, internet marketing world back in October of 2022. And it is just the start of 2024, not quite a year and a half into this, and I am just starting to see some success. I wish I would have known some of this stuff that I'm going to share with you today, but I don't want you to be making the same mistakes as I am. Primarily, this is for those that are beginning or trying to get started in internet marketing, affiliate marketing, and make sure to stay to the end. There's some really good tips here. And at the end, I will also share with you how you can get more information about why you will never succeed online. Does this sound like you? I have tried many different types of business, but have yet to succeed. I need a low cost, very easy, broken way down, step by baby step way to see some success so that I feel I can accomplish what others have done. A lot of internet marketers assume too much and skip over some of the basic steps to succeed online. Or, I'm tired of everyone promising they can make me a millionaire. I want to work at this and make it happen. I'm an honest person and I don't want to lie or cheat in order to make money. I know there's got to be some honest people left in this world. If this resonates with you, then keep watching. This is some of the pain points that I've gone through. Here I'm going to hopefully give you some ways to succeed so that you will not fail by trying to make money online. You'll never succeed online if you have the wrong mindset. Successful marketers all have one thing in common. They have the correct mindset. They actually believe they will become successful eventually, no matter how long it takes. So you got to think you're going to be successful. Yeah, you're going to have some setbacks and you're going to have some challenges, and most people that are successful are going to have some failures. But those that keep going, okay, and have that mindset that eventually they will succeed, usually do succeed. You'll never succeed online if you think everything is too technical. This is a very simple obstacle to get around. Simply go to Google or YouTube and find out how to do it. It's simple as that. I made this mistake in relying on other people to do some technical stuff when really if I just took a little bit of time, did a little bit of research, I could have done some stuff on my own which would have made things go a little bit smoother, and I could have got things done a little bit quicker. You don't want to rush, but I would have been able to get things done a little bit quicker because it would have been completely in my control instead of relying on others for some of this stuff. You'll never succeed online if you want to earn money for doing nothing. This is actually one of the biggest reasons people fail. They see promises of easy riches for doing very little work at all, when the truth is there are no easy ways to make money online. It all requires work. Now, I didn't necessarily fall into this when I got started. I got into this group that was called the Super Email Affiliates, and the mentor, it was valuable information. For sure, I learned a ton. Of course, did make it seem a little bit easier than it was. There was work, and I wasn't afraid of doing the work. But I did think that I was going to see some results, some big results, maybe sooner than what did happen. And I haven't really seen any big results yet, but that part of that's my own doing. And I got stuck into jumping into other things because things weren't moving as fast as I wanted to or hoped they would, and got stuck into this looking for some maybe easier ways and trying to speed things up. There is no quick and easy way, but you got to pick one thing, pick something, stick with it, keep at it, and eventually you will see success, and that's where I'm at now. You'll never succeed online if you quit at the first hurdle. So if you give up each time you hit a roadblock, tasks won't be complete. Products won't get finished and brought to the market, and all of your time and effort will be wasted. If you're trying to be an affiliate and promote other products, you got to keep going when you hit these challenges. Whether it's figuring out how to build a funnel or set up your autoresponder, there's going to be these hurdles. As I've already stated before, most of these hurdles, you just have to do a little research and you can find out ways to solve them. But it's not going to be just a simple, easy, get a link, post it, and make money. You gotta put in some effort, and there's going to be challenges. Don't give up, just keep with it, slow and steady, be consistent. You'll never succeed online if you don't build a list. All right? The list, the money is in the list. How many times have you read that or heard that? It's true. You must be building a list or all of your efforts are in vain. So if you're promoting a product for someone and you just send a link that takes them straight to the sales page of the product you're promoting, they go on the person who's selling the product onto their email list. But if you haven't set up some sort of way to capture their email, then they go into that list, and that person is going to be continuing to email them with different products and make money off of them. So by setting up your email list, you then have a targeted audience where you can send your offers to as you get more offers to promote. So again, having a list is the easiest way to get traffic to your links. It's not easy to build a list. That's something that I'm still working on and haven't got a huge list. It's pretty small still, but I'm doing the things now that I need to be doing to slowly build that list. So list is very important if you want to succeed with making money online. Okay, so those are just some of the tips that are covered in this report. Why you'll never succeed online. Right, there's actually 17 reasons that my mentor John Thornhill goes through about how you will not succeed if you are doing some of these 17 mistakes, essentially, or how to overcome these challenges so that you will be successful. If you go down in the description down below, you can grab this report. It's totally free. Go through it, see where you're struggling, figure out what you need to do and not do in order to be successful online. Again, totally free. Grab it. It's going to be a good read to make sure that you get your head in the right place and don't make the same mistakes that I have made, as well as others. So hopefully you found this useful. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and the notification bell so that you get future videos where I provide tips, resources for affiliate marketers for beginners.